What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect Modalyst to your Wix store in order to import products from Modalyst and sell them on your Wix online store. So Modalyst is one of the only websites, dropshipping websites, that integrate well with Wix, and in this video I'll show you how to do so. So here I have the Modalyst website open, that's modalyst.co. And here you have like a brief overview of the website and its services. And you can view here the pricing of the website as well as the features and integrations. So let's take a look at the pricing. Here you have the different plans. So you have the free or hobby plan with only 25 products limits. And you'll have the startup and the pro plan. So you can compare them and read the info and the benefits of each plan and decide if you want to invest in a paid plan. So here are the comparisons for the different plans. Okay, and you can pay monthly or yearly, and of course yearly you'll have a 25% off when you pay on a yearly basis or annually. Okay, now let's go ahead and create an account. You can click on here to start for free to create an account, or click on login if you already created an account. So let's click on start for free here. So it'll ask if you are a retailer or supplier. We are a retailer, and here you will enter some details, so like name and address, business name, and so on. So I'll fill in all these details and then continue. And once you fill in all the details, when you scroll down, you'll find where have you created your e-commerce store. You can connect your Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce, and other. For this video, we will connect our Wix store. So I'll click on Wix here and click on sign up. And here our account is created, and here is our dashboard. So you can find products here. You can find products on Modalyst, so from other sellers like Alibaba or AliExpress, and you can even sell products that are printed on demand, so like Printify, like towels and t-shirts and clothing and so on. And you can even sell CBD if you want to, and you can view all the available products and categories. Now let's find products to sell here. Now if we go to the import list of our products, you will not find any products since we haven't added any products yet. So we can find products here on the print on demand if you want to sell print on demand products, or go to ready to sell. So if I go to ready to sell here, these are products that I can sell on my Wix website or my online store, and they will be drop shipped here and handled by Modalyst. So I can view the different categories, so like women's fashion, men's fashion, kids and babies, beauty and health, home and garden, and more categories. So let's click on kids and babies, for example, and here you can find a list of products that you can sell. So let's say I like this product, I can click on it. It'll open in a new tab, and I can view like the product description and the and I can view here that its product is an external market, so like AliExpress, and I can view the different details and the supplier rating and everything. And once I am happy and I want to sell this product, I can click on add to import list. Okay, now the product is added in the import list. So if I go to the import list here, I can find the product available. I can change the product name, so toddler leash, for example. Okay, so here you can view the tags of the products which are imported with the product type, the vendor, and you can view the description. You can edit the description here. So if I want to, I can like edit anything here or write in the product description from scratch if I want to. And I can view here the variants. It tells me there are like 18 variants, so like the colors and the sizes and everything, and it shows me even the inventory of each variant. Okay, so I want to add all the variants to my store. If you want to, you can check all of them and add them to your store. You can view the pricing of the item here. Here it'll give you the price per item, and you can view the cost, and it'll calculate like the profit. So you can change the price. Let's say I want to sell it for $10. Okay, and it will update the profit margin for it. Okay, Now you can go ahead and edit any price that you want for any variant. And once I am happy with it, okay, let's check this box and then click add to store. However, this option is grayed out, it's not available since I haven't connected my store yet. So to connect your Wix store to Modalyst, let's go to settings here and then click on connect your store. Here I can click on add a new store. Of course, it gives me my default store that is on Modalyst. However, I want to add my Wix store, so click on add new store. Wix is selected by default since we selected it when we signed up. Okay, store name, let's name it test store. Then click next. It will redirect you to the Wix login page, so you have to log in to your Wix account in order to connect your Wix store to Modalyst. So I'll sign in with my email. Okay, here I connected, I have signed in with my Wix account. You can also create from the same screen, create an account or sign up through Google, Facebook or other options. So here I have the different sites that I created on Wix. So on my Wix account, I'm still like experimenting. So I've created a bunch of test sites. However, these are more than enough to show you the way. So let's select this first one, so my site 5, and I'll select it. And now it tells me that I have successfully created or connected my Wix store. Now let's dismiss this. And now I'll select store here. Now it'll open, it will redirect me to my dashboard, and here the test store that I created is selected. Make sure it is selected so that the store that I connected to Wix. Now let's go to the import list. We will find that it's empty since the product that we added was in the store that is created by default in Modalyst, not the store that we connected to Wix. So we'll need to add the product another time. So I'll go ahead and click on ready to sell. This time let's go to home and garden, for example. And let's say I like this product right here. I can view more details or click on the photo here. It'll open in a new tab where I can view the price and all the settings and details and the description, the processing time, the estimated delivery time, the countries that are supported, and the seller suppliers rating and everything. And once I am happy with the details and view also the variants as I showed you in the previous product. Now once I'm happy and decide to add this product, I'll go ahead and add it to my import list. And if I go to the import list here, or I can click view in import list, now the product is in my import list. I can I can edit the name here and description, the pricing, and as I did with the previous product that I showed you. Now you'll see that the add to store option is available since I connected my Wix store. So if we click on it after selecting or checking the product, it'll take a moment and it says that this product is now available in your store, and it will no longer be in the import list. We can view it in the sync list. Here it is in the sync list, so that means it is now available in my Wix store. Now let's go to the Wix store here, and I've already opened like the store here in my editor. It doesn't show the product yet, so let's refresh the page or like go to the home page now of the site. Okay, here it is in the editor now, so it's not the final site. However, you'll be able to see. Let's go to store products and view the products here. And as you can see, the modern wooden miniature figurines are now added in my store. They are a physical product, and the SKU and the product price are here, and it says in stock. So the product is added. Once I continue the settings and publish my website, this product will show in my website's Wix store. And in Modalyst, you can add as many products as you like. Of course, in the free plan, you are limited only to like 25 products. However, for each product, you can add to import list and then connect to your site, and it'll automatically be transferred or be synced to your website, to your Wix online store, and you can sell it from there. So that's how easy it is to connect your Modalyst account to your Wix online store, so you can start selling products from Modalyst on your Wix store.